great adventure. I mean, you think about what we did today, launching boats and sailing with runs whales. I mean, it hasn't been done in a vessel like this in over a century. So that's pretty unique. It's fun learning how to sail her, what you'll do, what you won't do. Well, you'd be on a rubber raft out there at Stellwagen. That'd have been fun today. All those whales. Wow. Oh, I've been sailing most of my life, mostly in traditional craft. I had my own wooden vessel, a little bit bigger than the Morgan. I take people on overnight trips, and I've been sailing other square riggers for almost 30 years now. When we go to Gettysburg and find a ball and keep it home from the Gettysburg, are you celebrating everybody that got killed at Gettysburg? You're celebrating history. It's the same thing. And a lot of history wasn't very pretty, but it was still, look at it, still history. But it helped fuel the Industrial Revolution. Without it, we would still have been in the dark. So if you wanted light, if you wanted to have a light in your house after sunset, you had an oil lamp, oil lamp. I mean, not only the sailing part, but then of course the whales are always exciting for everybody to see. And they were pretty active out there, so that was a good time. We got to do maneuvers and people see how the vessel sailed. Oh, it's all good. It's all good.